Good afternoon. This is Ojai City Manager James Vega. Today is March 18th. I am recording this update for residents and members of the community about some of the latest information and services available. Yesterday, you may have heard, but the county health officer released an order that was effective at 12:01 a.m. This morning that ordered three key requirements. It required first, individuals 75 or older to shelter in place. Second, it required all food facilities to only offer food via pickup, drive-through, or delivery. And finally, it required that businesses such as movie theaters, live performance venues, bowling alleys, gyms, fitness centers, aquatic centers, bars, and nightclubs should close through April 1st, 2020. The city has been working with local businesses to try to ensure that residents have access to needed items and to support local businesses as well. I wanted to take this opportunity to encourage you to be safe while supporting local businesses. And here's a couple of things we're doing to try to encourage and help this. First, we've been in contact with local grocery stores such as Vaughn's and Westridge about offering special hours for seniors and sensitive persons. Starting tomorrow, Westridge will be implementing special hours from 6 to 8 a.m. Vaughn's has already implemented special hours from 7 to 9 a.m. We've also heard that there are groups offering to help get items for residents who can't get to the store by using those groups. The one we've heard of is that's been popular is called Ojai Shopping Cart, and those groups can be found online. We are also working with those stores to see if they need pickup or delivery zones in their parking lots to help accomplish these things. Secondly, we've reached out to restaurants and created pickup zones to help residents quickly and safely get access to food from restaurants. On our website today, we will post a list of restaurants that we know that are offering either takeout or delivery services. I will go through that list briefly here. So and of course it's subject to change, but the current list is Ojai Pizza, Ojai Coffee Roasting, Bonnie Lou's, Jersey Mike's, Ojai Roti, Sea Fresh, Hakane Sushi, Camarco, Osteria Managrappa, Food Harmonics, Agave Maria's, Ojai Cafe Emporium, and each of those is currently planning to offer either a takeout or a delivery option, and will be you should see zones throughout the city where you can take out or pick up food from those restaurants. We'll also include hours that those businesses are expected to be open and a contact phone number in case you have any questions for each of those businesses. We'll keep that up to date in coming days. Additionally, we have some information about other services that we want to make sure to provide to residents. Some of this information was provided in the last update that we provided, so you may have heard it before, but we want to make sure that everybody's aware of it. First, Southern California Edison and Southern California Gas are suspending service disconnections for non-payment, and Southern California Edison is waiving late fees. Our website has contact information for Edison or SoCal Gas for more information. Second, the state's Employment Development Department has announced financial support services for workers whose employment is impacted due to the coronavirus. Visit edd.ca.gov for more information. Third, Ojai Unified School District has begun to provide meals to children from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. daily. You can stop by and pick up a brown bag lunch and breakfast for the following day, or check out sanitized computers or library books. All meals are free for all children, even if they do not currently attend Ojai Unified School District. We've also had questions about whether donations are needed. We've been in contact with local charities who've noted that specific items are needed, such as non-perishable food donations and household goods like laundry soap, bath soap, shampoo, and shampoo. Donations are accepted at the Little House next door to City Hall at 111 West Santa Ana Street in Ojai. The city recently enacted a renter's eviction moratorium. The moratorium states that no landlord shall evict a residential tenant in Ojai during this local emergency if the tenant is able to show an inability to pay due to circumstances related to the coronavirus. Tenants will have up to 6 months following expiration of the emergency to repay any back due rent. The city also continues to add hand washing stations throughout the city that you should start seeing. We're also increasing sanitization of trolleys, bathrooms, and other essential services. And as noted a couple of days ago, we're keeping public bathrooms open 24 hours a day, 7 days per week for our vulnerable populations to make sure they're able to stay, make sure they're able to keep washing their hands. Earlier today, the city shifted to telephone and email services. The other cities in the county and the county itself, as you may have heard, are doing the same. And we're doing this to help prevent the spread of disease by not requiring residents to come into City Hall for service or the various city offices. We are rolling out tools on our website to help residents get any services that they need by telephone or email. I want to note that during this time, city staff will be on site and prepared to help and respond to requests. We're simply asking residents to contact us by telephone or email to avoid the in-person and potential spread of the disease. We'll be rolling out new tools in coming days to help do this, and the first one that we'll be rolling out, and we'll post information on our website about tomorrow, is a new program that will allow residents to receive city alerts via text message, similar to VC Alert operated by the county. By sending the keyword, which is Ojai CA1, OJAICA1, to the number 91896, you'll be signed up to receive alerts and messages from the city of Ojai. Again, similar to the VC Alert, but specific to the city of Ojai. We're also planning to roll out some additional tools and programs that we'll be noticing in coming days. Last, just to remind everyone, the best way to prevent potential illness is to avoid being exposed to the virus. The CDC recommends everyday preventative actions to help prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Some simple tips like practice social distance, which means maintaining a distance of 6 feet from others when interacting. Don't shake hands, as hard as that is. It will help prevent the spread. Wash your hands often with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Don't do what I just did, which is avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with people who are sick and practice social distancing, as mentioned before. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue and then throw the tissue in the trash. And clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Again, we're all practicing these measures to do what they call flatten the curve, which is prevent the possibility of a lot of people getting sick at once and putting too much of a strain on the medical facilities. And so we all will do our part to do that. The city is going to continue to look for ways to help residents and businesses during these times. Thank you for watching this update.